Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a middle split follow-along stretching routine. We don't need any equipment for this practice, just a yoga mat, or you can use any carpet or towel that you have in your house. So when you're ready, let's begin. We begin with a gentle warm-up in a cross-legged position. Our chest moves in circles. Relax your hips here. When we move forward, we push our ribs down. When we move backwards, we round our back. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, switch direction, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's open one leg to the side, straight your knee, straight posture, and we are doing a rotation in our spine, putting our shoulder down and switch to another one. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Open one arm to the side, and with the exhale, lean down. 1, 2, up, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's hold down, and 1, 2, we hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Let's switch leg. Straight posture, and we are doing a rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Push the shoulder down. 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's lean to the side. With the exhale, we lean down and gently come up. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Few more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's go down and hold 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. From here, we move into our knees and putting the right leg forward, and we move into deep lunge, straight posture. From here, we are going to activate our hips. We're putting our arms down, straighten the back knee, and rotate the hips to the middle lunge, and come back to front lunge. And 1, 2, keep your posture straight, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Now let's rotate to the side, and we hold here and add pulses with our hips. Breathe deeply. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Let's switch to another leg and rotate inside. Straight posture. Relax the hips area. Exhale. Hands down. Straight the back knee and gently rotate to the side. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6. Keep your knees straight. 7, it's very important. 8, and 1, 3, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Let's go to the side and hold. 1, 2, and we add pulses with our hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, we move into Spider-Man exercise, moving from one leg to another. Try to push your hips as low as possible. 2, and 3, 4. Open your knees to the side. 5, 6, and 7, 8. One more. 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Great job. Let's move down to our hips. And from here, we open the legs as wide as possible, but we also should feel comfortable here. And from here, we are going to do the mobility for our hips. We are going to rotate one leg, come back to center, and rotate another leg. Come back to center. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. You can help with your hands. 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Come back to center. Hands to the side. We are going to lean from one leg to another. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. One more. 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Good job. Last exercise is we're going to lean forward. With the exhale, we move forward, putting our stomach, ribs, chest to the floor, and gently come up. If it's hard for you to keep your hands here, you can put your hands behind your head and up. Let's do 5 times. And exhale. 1. Good job. Use your muscle to go down and up. And 2. Amazing. 3 more. And 3. And 4. 1 more. And 5. Good job. Now let's go down and we stay here. Boom. Hold here for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2. Try to push your ribs closer to the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Done. We are ready to try our middle split. Let's go. We begin from the standing position. keeping our knees straight, using our quadriceps, and we gently slide to the side slowly. Make sure your knees are super straight, all the way down to your maximum lowest position. You can hold in your lowest position. Use your muscles to hold. We hold here for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Good job! We are done. Thank you very much for watching this video and training with me. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to put a like and leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you're not going to miss any new stretching, fitness or tutorial videos. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye!